The injury mechanism involved sometimes some non-linear movements, so non-linear sprints, trunk rotation, especially the role of the trunk rotation, maybe perturbation. So we have to respect that. I put this video of TRARE, as you can see, as an example. For example, now you see the player that had injury, but now you see on the replay, keep attention to the movement. It's a nice speed running action for sure, but keep attention of his trunk and his upper body. Is high speed running action, but non-linear, is turning left. You see his trunk is watching right and left, so he's turning his trunk. So we have to consider it in rehabilitation. We have to consider the injury mechanism in rehabilitation. So we have not to work only linear, but we have also to work. It involves works non-linear with perturbation, with trunk rotation.